Welcome back to Crow Creations, everybody. I'm Dan the Man, and this is another episode of Jeeps Do It Already. So, we have installed the valve cover, we've installed the oil pan, we have secured the oil dipstick. Let's see. We have the front of the motor to assemble next. I think we're going to get a timing cover on. That's going to be the next step. And then the water pump and the shaft.
What are you waiting for? Subscribe already.
Okay. Well, sorry about being so quiet for that last part of this, ladies and gentlemen, but I was pretty focused. So, the motor is now complete, ish. There's still obviously a few things that need to get bolted on here, but we're getting to the point where it's end game. We're almost ready to start it up. Still got to do a few more things, but thank you for watching Crow Creations. Again, this is an episode of Jeeps Do It Already. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Again, please, thank you for watching. I'm going to try to upload much more frequently, and we're going to see this Jeep going by the end of this summer. So that's going to do it for today, like I said. Thank you all for watching. Have a terrific evening.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.